Imagine waking up tomorrow, opening your crypto portfolio and realizing DeFi sector just exploded again. Well, that's basically what happens right now. In 2026, DeFi Total Value Locked has surged by more than 154%. And the stablecoin market, it's now worth over $180 billion. So the real question is DeFi entering its second golden age? And more importantly, how can beginners actually profit from this? So let's break it down for you. But before we start, what is DeFi for all the beginners that watch this video? DeFi stands for decentralized finance. Instead of using banks, you use blockchain apps to lend money, earn interest, trade, borrow, and generate yield. Basically, it's like banking, but run by code instead of suits. And unlike traditional banks, DeFi runs 24/7. No closing hours, no paperwork, and definitely no awkward meetings with the bank manager. So now let's talk about the DeFi mooning. Here's where things get interesting. After the crypto crash in 2022, many people thought DeFi was finished. But in 2026, it's roaring back. TVL, Total Value Locked, has jumped over 154%. That means billions of dollars are flowing back into DeFi protocols. But why now? Three huge trends are driving it. Trend number one, stablecoin explosion. The first driver, stablecoins. Stablecoins are cryptocurrencies designed to stay at $1. Stablecoin examples like USDC, USDT, and DIA. The market is now worth over 180 billion. But why does this matter? Because stablecoins are basically the fuel for DeFi. People use them to lend, borrow, provide liquidity, and earn yield. Think of stablecoins like cash on the crypto economy. And right now, the economy is growing fast. Trend number two, restaking. Now here's the trend you'll hear everywhere in 2026, restaking. And yes, the name sounds confusing, but the idea is simple. You stake your Ethereum and then you stake it to secure other protocols. In return, earning additional rewards. So basically, normal staking equals rewards, restaking equals rewards on top of rewards. So simply said, it's like getting paid for getting paid. Crypto investors love that. Trend number three. Another reason DeFi is growing again, it's getting safer. In the early days, DeFi hacks were everywhere. But now we have better audits, insurance protocols, and stronger security. Institutions are slowly entering the space, which means more liquidity, more users, and potentially more opportunities. But how can beginners profit from this? Alright, now the part everyone wants to know, how can beginners actually benefit? Here are three simple approaches. Strategy number one, lending stablecoins. Platforms like lending protocols allow users to deposit stablecoins and earn yield. Example, deposit USDC, earn 3 to 8% APY depending on market demand. It's simpler than savings accounts, except banks usually pay like 0.5%. So yeah, banks might not love DeFi. Strategy two, staking Ethereum, for example. Another popular strategy is staking Ethereum. Many investors earn around 3 to 5% rewards annually. And with restaking, some people stack additional yields. Strategy 3. Liquidity providing. Liquidity providers deposit their tokens onto trading pools. In return, they earn trading fees. But beginners should learn about impermanent loss first. Otherwise, your profits might disappear faster than you can count to 3. But also there are risks. Of course, DeFi isn't risk-free. There are risks like smart contract bugs, token volatility, liquidity risk. So never invest money you can't afford to lose in the worst case. And always do your own research. And yes, I know everyone says that, but in crypto, it actually matters. So what could be the future of DeFi? Where could DeFi go next? If adoption keeps growing, some analysts believe DeFi could eventually compete with traditional finance. Remember, traditional finance is worth hundreds of trillions. So even a small percentage moving into DeFi could mean massive growth. And now I'm curious, do you think DeFi will actually replace banks one day? Or is it just another crypto hype cycle? Let me know your opinion in the comments, and also tell me, which DeFi protocol are you watching in 2026? If you enjoyed this video and you want more simple crypto explanations, subscribe to my channel. I would appreciate it a lot. Smash that like button, because the next big crypto trend might already be starting. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.